Go ahead. Bring it up to the line. He's staging. He's stopped. He's ready to go. The first row of the day. Go ahead. 3.079 for Phil Hammond. That was quick.
That ain't no mud bog.
Yeah.
Where's the mud?
We have Tom Ford from Bogs, Michigan. Our second competitor in the open cross.
That was easy.
2.5.
Like drag.
For Tom Ford. Wow.
That was like the light.
He's in the back room talking about.
He's staged. He's ready.
Yeah.
As soon as you put down water, it just dries right out.
Wow.
Power, huh?
2.754. Second place for Larry Corbeil. All right.
Ready?
He's gonna pull the hell away.
Please line up.
No.
keeps backing it down more harder and harder. Open sky again. Maybe that big old sky will put some shade in. We'll have it go home burnt.
Jojo.
What happened here? I didn't know they were doing a mud ball.
Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Your weekend camp is going to go through the mud.
Yep.
Weekend camp.
You're so crazy.
Scott's going to,
Surface.
got his surfboard on top, going camping, on vacation right after we was there. All right, he's lined up, he's still, he's ready to go. We're good. There he goes.
And there.
Oh, he gets down there and got a little bit of...
Looks like Scott's not going camping this weekend.
Right away.
That's all. It's not the car. Right?
Yeah.
Michigan up next in the mud pod. He's all set. There he goes. Well, that little smoke coming out of the kick it up now.
Much fuel in that carburetor.
Kick it up to it's on track. We'll see how much it is right now.
I think the butter bumpers are over it. The big, the small ones, anyway. Bring the big boys up.
They slided across the mud. They were like it was their one with mud. Yeah, it went like sliding. Like you can literally see like the bottom.
You won't even make it as far as the other ones got. Yeah. Less cheese.
So, how else do you win? After you got Come easy on the throttle and give her. See no back production.
Ready to go. West Hill.
Look all night for back production. But I'm trying to look the benefit of the car. Oh, baby! Maybe not. You know, he's going to go mud dogging, I know. That one was pretty low to get in the road.
All right, we're at the stage. his pickup truck. We're ready when he's ready. And there he goes. Oh, he got off track just a little bit.
A lot of water in there.
We'll see how far he went. Lee's Valley, San Estefano, 517 Drift, Full Throttle Motorsports, Craft Chevrolet, Jared Bowden Excavation, Thunder Road Magazine, Designs by Grit, Schaefer Ready Mix, I United, Countryside Run.
Michigan. He is on a 1951 Oliver 77.
77. Make good tractor color. On that, it's track it about 4 or 5 more acres. Oh, come on, boy. Put her in the air. Look out. You've got that tractor running full power right now. It's either going to go or you got off course, man. You pass that.
You see it?
What Bogs shirt?
Yeah.
Now try to get over the meter motor. Here he comes up to the stage area. That's gotta be a Hemi. He's in.
Yeah.
Bring her up to the start line. Chad Towers from Macy, Indiana.
See,
All right, he slams that door. He's ready to go.
Flying in the air, both. They water, dropping everything.
Might see the drivers put their hands in the air while the staff is looking at him. That's to make sure that he doesn't take off while they're hooking him up. Alright, he's getting staged. He's getting ready. Josh Jones from Indiana. Here we go.
No.
I need flag leader. Better get a picture. This could change the whole.
Wow.
That was that.
Zach Taylor coming up.
That Taylor coming on up. And there he is.
In the tadpole, Jack Zach Taylor.
There he is.
He's into the staging area.
Whoa.
Getting ready, he's locked, he's locked. Alright, here we go, Zach Taylor now. Time to beat, 3.836.
3.8. Wow. You want to beat it? 38.3.
Yeah.
There he is. I think he beat it. You beat it?
6, 30 to 30 modified. Our winner is Jeff Sequin in a time of 3.846. Second goes to Zach Taylor, 4.002.
He's going too fast to blow the horn.
Last 7.
I know. I got it now.
54 modified.
Put that to top.
Now that makes sense.
Took me to figure it out.
Said. That's what I said.
That's so the tractor guy can see where the finish line is.
Yeah.
Oh, here we come, a big 7. Big 7 coming up. The big boy's coming up now. Yeah, that's all power. Trying to probably a 3-step ladder to get in the door.
Yeah.
There we go. You got the clutch to fix that. He ain't screwing around. He's already got the weight on it. Wow. We'll do it again. He ain't blow a horn.
Modified.
Hey, this guy's back out.
He's ready
I
to
said
go.
this guy's back out.
We're ready.
We got a couple.
He's ready.
You can put it on the back. What do you think?
He had a good run.
Jack Taylor, I'm sorry, Jack Taylor.
Get your name right, buddy.
Yeah.
Name. Now don't
He's
give it up.
staged, he's ready. He's locked in, he's ready to go.
Alright, this down full. Got the old one. Better get that camera.
4.228.
Man, oh man, oh man.
Second big time for Jack Taylor. 4.228.
Well, I don't see the pair of knocked them all over, didn't it? Pushed them all. Where'd you go with the tractor? Way over there he goes with the tractor.
Yeah, he's got. I guess he's putting it away.
That's somebody else's tractor.
We're gonna hook him up
Right of luck.
just in case he can't make it.
This is getting pretty weird. Oh, he ain't gonna make it halfway. He's gonna bog out. If you don't get over, if you don't fly over that hole, you don't make it.
Yeah.
That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it.
He's coming up to a staging area. Inching forward, inching forward. There he is, he's good to go. Ryan Combs and Big Nasty.
Alright! He didn't give up.
7.486.
You see how that truck went that way?
Yeah.
This way? It popped. All that fuel went right into the car when he went like that.
Yeah.
It just dumped it in.
Well, because he went like this. He went like this. He launched it back and launched it like
That's
this.
when all the fuel went in the car. Sounds like he's got more motor than he's got truck though. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
It's loud, but he's just ain't moving it.
Yeah.
Better tire. Needs better tire. More.
Put on a surgeon.
Skinny.
That's what I'd say. He needs a better rear end.
Third place at this
His
time.
rear end ain't going as fast as the motor, you know what I'm saying? Turning the wheels.
Yeah.
He needs a higher gear in there.
Battery charge.
He's got probably a low gear in there right now. That's
Yeah.
why it's
Competitors left.
not moving as fast as it sounds.
Tires.
But he made it.
Yeah, he made it.
Gotta give him credit on that. He made it.
Chad.
He'll probably be the one to flip over the wall. Ain't nobody in the hook truck there anyway, is there?
There's someone in the truck.
Tractor.
Oh, no. Nobody in the tractor.
That's why he said he probably doesn't need it because he doesn't want to wait.
Alright, he's pulling up to the staging area.
No, there's a guy on a tractor. I think it's armed.
Getting a closer look.
Got better eyes than I got.
Nah, there's nobody in the tractor because he said he doesn't need a hook, so we don't need the tractor
Alright,
for
he's
this guy.
locked. He's gonna shut
Oh,
that
yeah,
down.
his
Here
job
he
don't work
goes.
then.
He's staged.
I
He's ready.
don't need a hook
He
either.
fires it up.
He said he does not want a hook. He's confident.
Drop something.
Feeling good about it. I got this. Oh, Lordy boy, you better get the hook. What? Now you gotta get out and get in the mud.
Unfortunately,
Someone's calling in the mud to get into the truck. Back in the truck.
oh, he got it now.
He's stuck.
I wonder if we can get him out of there or not.
boy.
Damn! Fired up and finish it.
He says it's just ate my day. We'll get out of it.
He broke the seat.
Well, that old front end went right down in it, though.
Yep.
I don't know if he's...
That's what the other truck hit though too.
Can't see this angle. He's all done though.
I guess they're going to pull him out forward. Okay. That's what happened when he hit that hole, man. He just busted a gear.
And he's going to make his way up here to the stage area.
Hey, you won't see him back.
Here he comes.
And they're gonna sit
No,
there.
he's got his hubs locked up.
Oh,
That's what was going on. Now he unlocked them. He can roll it.
then this guy's gonna come forward through.
Yeah, he unlocked his hubs. Don't go yet, buddy, man. We got a car down there.
Okay, we're waiting for the track to clear down at the other end.
That's still locked up. They definitely busted a gear in there.
3.48 seconds, the time to beat.
That's a
Don't
bummer.
want it. Don't want it. Don't want
Hey,
it.
you put on
like
a show,
it,
though.
pineapple?
I'm going to have a hard time getting that on the trailer.
Oh yeah.
Jeremy does a great job in organizing this whole mud bog event. Now he gets to have a little fun on his own. Alright, track is clear. He's locked, he's loaded. He's ready.
Good thing that hole wasn't as bad as it was. He would have lost the door. That's the same truck that just ran, right? With the door open?
Alright, time to beat. 3.54 seconds.
3.5.
He's locked, he's loaded.
Come on, Jeeper.
He revs it up. Oh
There he goes.
Same thing that happened last time.
There he is.
no. Oh, I think that's it for Tristan.
This is just, I'm going. He ain't.
We're gonna hook him up. Just in case he doesn't make it all the way down.
Right.
Alright, here we go.
Boom, boom. Let's see what this old Chevy can do.
Ryan Combs pulling up to the start finish line. He's locked.
And loaded. Locked and loaded, right?
Here he goes.
Come on, no fuck, buddy. Hey!
Great job by Ryan.
Not bad, but hey, he made it. He made it.
Alright, Class 8 to back.
Told you we had one more guy coming out. I knew
That's
he
the
was
big guy. That's the big boy.
3.54.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Chris Jameson, second. Ryan Combs, and third, Tristan Gamble.
He's the winner. He'll fly over there.
Well, he's made for the actual test.
Yeah. Mud and water, that's what he's made for. He's a swamp buggy.
Last 9 bigger.
Oh, I think he's making it. How about that? I think he's gonna make
Can't
it.
quite read this on the side of his truck, too much mud.
What's he doing now? Something about the crap, something going on down there?
He's not confident. He knows he doesn't win.
Starts without breaking the mud.